In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a deal in HubSpot. Whether you're a seasoned sales professional or just getting your feet wet with CRM tools, HubSpot makes managing deals intuitive and efficient. So let's dive into the steps to get your deals up and running. First, head over to the HubSpot homepage. This is your gateway to all the powerful tools HubSpot has to offer. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a login option at the top right. Go ahead and click on Log In. This is your ticket to the HubSpot universe where you can manage all your business operations in one place. After logging in, you'll be taken to what we affectionately call the HubSpot home. This is your dashboard, your command center where you can quickly navigate to any part of HubSpot. Look for the CRM tool within your HubSpot home. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's the heart of HubSpot's offering, allowing you to manage interactions with current and potential customers. Once you've located the CRM link, give it a click. This will take you directly into the realm of customer management and deal tracking. Now focus your attention on the deals section within the CRM. This is where you'll spend a lot of your time tracking the progress of your potential sales. Clicking on deals will open up a world where you can visually keep track of where each deal stands in your pipeline. This step is crucial because it allows you to manage and evaluate your current deals in one streamlined view. Next, look for the Create Deal button. This feature is designed with a user-friendly interface meant to ease the process of entering crucial information about new opportunities. Once you click on Create Deal, you'll be prompted to enter details like deal name, amount, and the stage of the sales pipeline where this deal currently resides. Be as detailed as possible here. These insights will help you forecast future revenue more accurately and effectively. Once you've filled in all the necessary information about your new deal, you're almost at the finish line. The final step is to click on Create. This button is your deal securing button, finalizing all the information you've just entered into the system. Clicking Create will officially log your deal into HubSpot, and there you have it. Your deal is now an active part of your sales pipeline. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully navigated through HubSpot to create a deal. This process not only streamlines your sales operations, but also enhances your ability to track and close deals efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and happy selling.